Welcome back to Instables, everyone. I wanted to go over exactly what may be happening next here in the market as we lead into Wednesday's CPI again, as we jump back above our 10-day moving average here, looking for any possible confirmation above our prior balance here, again, bouncing exactly off of our prior balance low here on Thursday. We did mention this bouncing also off of our 50-day moving average, and sure enough, a nice bounce. Where exactly may we be headed leading into CPI? What exactly will give us confirmation to continue on higher from here? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news, major volatile movers, major levels that you want to be watching, any major volume spikes that you want to be watching throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. Again, here with MBTX, again, mentioning early in pre-market here at about $4.43. We had a continuation, jumping up to $5.50. This was on Friday. Again, a very nice spike that we had. This is one of many movers that we do mention. And if you were looking for that key level for that possible continuation, we did have that continuation bouncing off of our 10-day with that confirmation. Again, 10, 21, and 50 crossing higher, giving us that confirmation and a very nice spike all the way back to our pre-market high. Again, mentioning these type of movers in the Instables room is what we do mention every single day. If you want to see more of these type of runners, look at the last few videos for the last few days. I've mentioned the top runners that we've had in the Instables room. Again, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout like today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spot with you guys here on the daily chart, again, looking at our prior candle structure, again, as we have been sitting within our prior balance here, again, bouncing off of our prior balance on Thursday, again, continuing on higher, now looking to see if we can possibly get that bullish candle structure above our 10-day moving average is what we will be looking for. And the reason why we have been looking out for that, again, mentioning on Thursday that we would possibly have this bounce back for one specific reason, and that was the possibility of what could possibly happen next. Again, we mentioned this is a psychological thing a lot of traders don't talk about. We had, again, a large red candle here, but we very much knew that our 10 weekly moving average, our 21 and our 50 have been crossing higher here, and they have not done this, again, throughout the duration of the last year of our sell-off since we have crossed lower. So again, since we have been crossing higher, we assumed that our candle here could possibly close with a hammer candle, and that's exactly what we closed with here on the weekly chart. So now we are looking to see if we can continue to respect our 10 weekly moving average here, and in my opinion, that bullish candle structure on the daily chart will be that possible confirmation for that continuation, again, above our prior balance. So what we need to see happen coming into this next week is to continue on with candles holding above our 10. We want to see our 10 cross back above our prior balance high. Then in my opinion, we are very much going to possibly look for any bearish momentum. But again, we will see if we continue to hold above our 10 weekly moving average, as again, we are closing with the upper end of our candle here. If we do continue on with this bullish momentum, the levels that we will be looking for to have that continuation will be here at 418, looking for bullish candle structure above our 418 level. But that larger move and that larger reaction, in my opinion, very much will be that 431 level that we have been talking about with gap downs that we had prior that would give us room to run to the upside on possible gap ups. So again, that 431 level will give us that stronger momentum in my opinion. But again, we do have possible room to run to the upside if we do continue on above our 418 level here. Again, making sure that we get that bullish candle structure above our prior balance high will be that momentum that we are looking for, and in my opinion, that key play that we will be looking for as far as that bullish candle structure. But again, what we want to happen going into this next week for more confirmation is to see our 12 crossing back above our 26 here with our EMA lines on the MACD. If this does not happen with this possible continuation with decreases in sell pressure going into next week, will very much be predicated, in my opinion, leading into Wednesday's CPI. So again, Wednesday CPI will be a very key data set. Again, our inflation report that Powell just mentioned is extremely key. Again, our data will depend on what exactly we anticipate leading into our next Fed rate hike. So looking at our Fibonacci lines here, as we close with the upper end of our candle here, what I would be looking for is to see if we get any possible retest on our 409 level to possibly continue to respect our 10-day moving average, as we are looking to see if we can continue to curl up here above our 21. Again, looking for that possible retest, in my opinion, would be plausible, and that would be that stronger move to the upside if we did get that retest, or if we do possibly continue on with this gap up and we do possibly get a retest on our prior balance high here, then in my opinion, we would look for that possible continuation retest above our prior balance high to get that larger reaction to the upside again with larger room to run to the upside. So in my opinion, looking for confirmation if we get back above our prior balance high. And if we do have a pullback to 409, we do get that retest and we get that bullish candle structure to continue on higher. That's another possible continuation. If we do break back below our 10-day moving average here, then we will very much look for that bearish candle structure dropping below our 409 level. But in my opinion, very much looking for any possible hold above our 10-day to see if we can possibly get that larger bullish candle structure on the upper end of our channel will be the larger play. And that's what our swing momentum will be looking for. Now, again, with that said, again, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, as early as you will find it. Again, we had multiple runners this week. One of them, for example, was up 0%, went up 29% from pre-market news, a very volatile runner. But again, almost no risk with up only 0%. Again, these are the type of movers that we mentioned in the Instables room. Any major data sets that you want to be watching if you are playing into the market, go to instables.com in the description below of this video, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel every single day. I really do appreciate you guys. Again, we will see exactly what happens leading into CPI, making sure that we are cautious, but again, making sure that we do take what the market gives us as we have been in the Instables room. Again, I will be going over the market tomorrow as well. Looking forward to going at it this next week. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.